Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your VIVO V23. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Firefox, browser, and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. And after our installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app and begin customizing it. So the first thing is to choose the theme, and you can change it from light to dark or automatic. I'm gonna keep the automatic one. You can pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top, and change always on privacy settings from standard to strict. Sign up to your other Firefox devices, or read the privacy note if you want. After all that, press start browsing, and the browser is ready. You can open any website and it should load properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.